I'm teacher Nikki.
Oh, what a dream I had last night. I dreamt of a vacation in Nepal. I visited many historical places and saw the evening prayers at the Pashupatinath temple. I took a cable car ride to the Chandragiri Hills. It was the best experience of my life. At Nagarkot Hills, the chirping of birds sounded like music. But my dad woke me up before I could climb the Everest.
Nikki, wake up and get ready to teach past tense and past continuous tense.
What a memorable journey of a beautiful country that was. I'm getting late for my class. Bye.
To learn more such phrases and vocabulary in English, like, share, and subscribe to our channel.